Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money on TikTok. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video and then share. I will not just be teaching you how you can make money on TikTok, I will be teaching you the fastest way to grow on TikTok. So please make sure you watch this video to the end. So to those who are new to the word TikTok, TikTok is a social media platform that allows you to post videos and then get paid for it. So TikTok has over 30.8 million daily active users via iOS, and this result was published on December 2021, and I'm sure this number has increased over time. So that means there's no limit of the amount you can make on TikTok. So what you need to do is to create good content on TikTok and then you start making money on TikTok. It's so simple. So now let's look at this. So this is how TikTok look on the web. So I'm just going to play this video.
Loving you, girl, no day. I do my money every day. I need no one like.
So all you need to do is to pick your niche, what type of content you want to be creating, and then
the biggest things that were ever stolen,
and then start creating content immediately on TikTok. So here's the easiest and fastest way you can grow on TikTok. We all know that Nigerians like comedy. So what you're going to be doing is to go to most of these popular comedians' TikTok accounts. Go ahead and then download their comedy, for instance. So I'm going to click on his profile. So this comedian has over 3.8 million followers. So definitely he has a huge number of fans. So I'll go ahead and then click on any of his video. I just go down. Go ahead and then download. Click on save video. And after that, you've successfully downloaded this video. So the next thing is to rename your TikTok account. So if I'm renaming my TikTok account, I'm going to rename my TikTok account as Sabinus_fanpage. So that when people come to my account, they are going to see my account as Sabinus_fanpage. So those videos I've successfully saved. I will go ahead and then upload it on my TikTok account. We all know that Nigerians like comedy. So definitely, if those comedies are funny enough or interesting, they are going to follow you, and not just follow you, like the video. So with that, you are getting a lot of followers. So you can also do the same thing for those who are in other niche. Post their videos on your TikTok account. So after you've done this, the next thing you will do is, since you've been able to get a lot of followers, a lot of people following you, rename that TikTok account to your personal TikTok page. So to do that, click on edit profile. After you've renamed it to your personal TikTok page, at this point, you've been able to gather huge fans, so you can now start posting content that is related to your own personal niche. So you will definitely have people who will watch you, who is going to like your video, and people who are going to keep following you. So this is the easiest and fastest way to grow on TikTok. So now let's get back to how can you make money on TikTok. So we all know that to make money on TikTok, you have to have live access. You must be able to go live. And then automatically, if you've been able to go live, TikTok automatically monetize you. And what do I mean by TikTok automatically monetize you? The way TikTok monetize is by people following you, gifting you. So I'm going to check who is live on my TikTok account, and I'm going to demonstrate and show you how you can make money on TikTok by people gifting you. If I click on the live icon, so we have this user who has a live access. So he's live right now. And you can be able to gift this user by clicking on the gift icon. And then when you click on the gift icon, you click on the recharge to be able to recharge some amount of money to be able to gift this user. So let's wait while it's load. So we have a lot of gifts you can gift this user. We have rose, we have the TikTok icon and so on. We have donuts, perfume and so on. And each of these gifts has number of coins. Some has 3,000 coins, some 1,000 coins, some 1 coin, and so on. So the higher the coin, the more money you make on TikTok. As you can see, this user has over 1.5k people who are watching him. And right now, you can see that a lot of people are gifting this user. So this is how you can make money on TikTok, by gifting. So the second way you can make money on TikTok is through posting videos regularly. So now, if you observe, if I click on this comment icon, so there's a gift icon on the comment section. By the time I click on gifts, so that means you don't have to go live on TikTok to make money on TikTok. For the fact that you've gotten 1,000 followers, you can just make money by creating content only. So now I can be able to gift this guy who posted this content thumbs up, oh my god, ice diamond, and so on. And each of these gifts has a lot of coin tagged to it. Pure Royalty has over 3,000 coin. You have to give this, or the owner of this account, 3,000 coin. We have Gold Gummy, which is 1,000 coin. So this is another way you can make money on TikTok by gifting. So the last way you can make money on TikTok, I will advise you to do this if you have up to 50,000 followers. So what you're going to do is to send mails to most of these popular brands that you are a TikTok influencer and you can help them promote their brand on your TikTok account. So they are going to see your mail and then reply to your mail. So this is how you can get most of these top brands' email. Go to Google and then type the name of the brand you are targeting, and then it's going to show their official website. Check their official website by clicking on the Contact Us icon on their official website. By the time you click on the Contact Us icon or the Contact Us link, I think they are going to provide their email where you can reach out to them. Reach out to them and paste a very convincing letter that you are into this. You have this number of TikTok followers, and then paste your TikTok link. They are going to check your TikTok link, and then if your TikTok has good content enough, they are definitely going to start paying you for promoting their brands. So this is the easiest way to make money on TikTok. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you know you got value from this video, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share so that other people can benefit from this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.